Welcome to Beauty Star. Beauty Star Co., Limited, established in the 2001, is a state-owned high-tech enterprise specializing in creative design, new material and product research and development, high-end manufacturing, and packaging material recycling. It is a leading company providing integrated products and services for the supply chain of high-end cosmetics, food, and health products. Since its inception, the company has built capabilities in creative design, new material research, new processes and product exploration, packaging manufacturing, cosmetics production owned divided by ODM, logistics distribution, plastic packaging waste recycling, and testing certification. This integration spans the entire industry chain, delivering products and services for high-end cosmetics, health products, and food. The company possesses a nationally recognized enterprise technology center, a postdoctoral research station, and is involved in significant projects sanctioned by the National Development and Reform Commission, Ministry of Industry and Information Technology's Internet of Things major project, and Shenzhen Municipal Development and Reform Commission's Graphene Nanomaterial Engineering Laboratory, accumulating over 60 invention patents and more than 300 authorized patents. The company is at the forefront of innovation. With One Material Science R&D laboratories, the company develops products that address market segments and consumer pain points using the latest processes and materials. Offering strong support for R&D divided by OEM, these laboratories are also open to customer partners, facilitating the development of new or special products. Equipped with unconventional equipment and production capabilities that perfectly match customer design concepts and requirements. The company boasts over 20 professional designers, 1,000 skilled technicians, and production workshops spanning nearly 150,000 square meters. It can manufacture a comprehensive range of packaging materials, from hoses, blow-molded bottles, injection molded part. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our company. Our mission is to continuously innovate and provide high-quality products and services to our customers, while also focusing on social and environmental responsibility. We firmly believe that through teamwork, collaboration, and dedication, we can collectively create a better future. We welcome you to join us on this exciting journey and work together to achieve success. Thank you for your support and trust, and we look forward to co-creating a brighter tomorrow with you.